I've seen some videos of people talking about a bad heater inducer motor. However, I haven't actually seen a video of a bad bearing or what they sound like, so this is my attempt at that. I'm also going to show you how to replace this particular heater inducer motor. I am not a qualified technician, so please do so at your own risk. There is an extremely loud noise when my heater runs. That noise is not there when my air conditioning runs. So the blower for the house, for the vents, is fine. However, this blower that exhausts the combustion gases, at least that's what I'm assuming it does, is not fine. I'm going to go cycle the heater real quick. What will happen is this inducer motor will spin up. I take it, it clears the lines, then it'll ignite. Then you'll hear the house fan on there as well. But this thing is horribly loud. Alright, so the inducer motor is spinning off and the house fan's still going, so the house fan will turn off in just a moment. It's super loud, it wakes me up at night. Maybe it doesn't carry over video, but it's loud enough that I'm fixing it. The inducer motor itself was about $100, not too bad. And I'm just guessing that that's my problem. What we need to do is we need to turn off this whole system. So we're going to do that. The whole system's turned off. I probably should have let the fan spool down, but it's okay. This right here is my inducer motor. So I'm going to go ahead and spin this. And that to me is a bad bearing. Let's see if I can get in here a little closer. So probably bad bearing. And here's the good one. Silent. Now this particular motor does have some sheet metal screws to hold this little exhaust pipe on. So we're going to pull those out. I don't know that these are necessary. We'll see if they go back in. So those screws are undone, and I've got my white wire on the bottom and my black on top. I'm just going to go ahead and undo those. And then the only other line is this little pressure switch here that is quite warm. And my line definitely needs to be replaced. It just broke off. I've got enough to do this today. Okay, I'm wearing gloves because there is a fiberglass gasket behind here, and I just don't like fiberglass. Always a struggle. Alright, so now I'm just going to hold the motor up because I think this is the last screw. Okay. You hear how noisy that is. Alright. So I'm just going to assume that this is correct. I think it's back here. Okay. I particular. Oh, that's quite a pain. I'll have to adjust that. Okay. Okay. So this is mostly lined up, at least the top one. So I'm going to go ahead and put one bolt in the top. Just to get us started. Okay. Got one on the right. down below. Okay. Try not to strip those out. Okay, now we've got black on top, white on bottom, and then this little line, I'll need to order a replacement. It's actually quite good. Okay, whisper quiet. Let's go start her up. Much quieter. The gas itself is louder than the inducer motor now, so job well done.